previously recorded. Today is moving day. Oh, everything boxed up. Who wants something to eat?
I just want a honey bun and something to put on my stomach.
You can have the sandwich on the counter if you want it.
I won't cut you, don't know I'm starting. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. From a serious high school.
Don't break your back now. If you got to, use the dolly. Cause I show packed them heavy.
Bang, I'm getting 30 feet.
We got fries on, we got put on.
Long as it don't say private. Because they remember that's the one I got my pictures in and stuff. If you can't stack nothing on top of that, don't tell me. I know how I put my stuff in the box. You be on
have a seat over there, OG. Have a seat over there. Go have a seat over there.
One step forward,
Grandma, they busy.
backwards, yeah. And much harder, who don't use big words, yeah.
We ain't gonna put it up no more. Got crabs on.
Commenting at all.
They can just don't stack none on top of it, baby.
We gonna put the stack.
Or you could just wait till the end for the fragile stuff.
What is food?
What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been
Y'all
trying
move
to
quick as
take it
hell.
slow, but my patience
I ain't moved yet.
What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you
Y'all
to
don't be playing.
I ain't moved yet.
You put them on too?
Waters?
Yeah.
There's some in the kitchen on the bottom if ain't nothing outside.
Tell the other lady I ain't moved yet. You need nice clean. I mean clean walls.
Well, damn, I needed you 10 days ago.
I can do it. I clean the bathroom. I mop the floor and
do you even worry that I'm gonna love
like the counter
You
down.
going in there too?
Yeah.
about me?
Yeah, I do all that.
By yourself. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Be careful because the glass is just propped up
Watch
there.
out. We ain't gonna.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
I yield to stay here, OG. Man,
We have that.
Yeah.
go by the water.
It's right there.
I ain't got time. Quick, I get a pot.
Y'all can you can roll that out there and stick it on the side of them boxes on that side right there. So, yeah. On the bottom of that shelf, babe.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about, run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know where I'm from. Baby, dig
We're gonna let those stay for right now. That's the fragile stuff.
What's it gonna take for you to love, take for
We
you to
gonna
love
do this up
me?
though. Yeah, this one top, this one long.
What's it gonna take for you to
Still
show,
do
take
it.
for you to show
This one up though.
feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me?
Watch hands, watch hands.
Yeah.
Come back in.
I got it, but I'm saying, I ain't get that. Who I do to put these bitches in here like that?
I'm taking apart the refrigerator so that they can get it through the door.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out and stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be
Tell them how much you want to touch this about.
know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Oh, Best Buy definitely gonna be high.
Home Depot alone.
Sometimes
Home
you
Depot
fall.
alone.
Man, they so high. They high.
Home Depot.
Oh,
Same shit everybody else got.
yeah, you bet I'm going to Home Depot.
Alone.
Be careful with my heart, oh.
Since we out the door.
Say I'm not sensitive.
Now how the hell we put it back on?
The same way, line the holes up.
But, you know.
Oh, we out the door, boy.
Alright, y'all, so we finally moved in. And we about to get comfortable some kind of way. But this is what we got going on in here. Ooh, y'all, I got my grandchildren here, y'all. And this is what we got going on. So we about to put the mattress down on this floor. And baby, get up some rest. Tonight Wiz. See y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all get a tour of the house. What's up, Boss Up Cleaning Crew and my sugar bulls? Today is going to be something a little bit different. Today's day is actually August 31st. And I've been holding out on y'all on a little secret. Well, my husband and I is in the process of buying us a house. And I just want to thank God for just being who he is and just blessing us to be able to do this, y'all. Because it's just amazing to be able to go from renting to buying. And especially at a young age. And I'm just so thankful and so grateful, and I can't wait to be able to tell y'all about the testimony. But I'm just keeping this to myself until the time is right, and when, you know, for me to be able to tell y'all, you know, how good God has been to us. And I'm just so thankful, y'all. I just really can't, you know, express how I feel. I just feel so good on the inside because it's my season. It's our season, y'all. And, you know, not only is God blessing me, but God is blessing the both of us at the same time. He's working on the both of us at the same time. We is one, so God is working on us together. Not just one of us is benefiting from this. It's the both of us. And I'm just so thankful, y'all. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful because everything that I asked for in a home, and especially in a starter home, everything I asked for, God has made it, you know, where I was able to have that. And it was an older house, you know. I've told y'all before, over on TIANA Only Be Me vlogs, that, you know, I like older houses because the rooms is bigger, and, you know, the house done been through all kind of storms, you know. And God just blessed us with just exactly what I prayed for. And when I walked in there, y'all, when I walked in this house, I just knew. I had a good feeling come over me. We had went and saw 7 houses in one day, and I found this house in the same day, y'all. We went and looked at 7 houses in one day. And when I tell y'all, when this was the last house, God saved the best for last. But when I walked in there and I looked around and I was like, this is exactly what I prayed for, y'all. I promise you. I mean, when I tell y'all cutting no corners, God came through, showed up and showed out. God come to show us what he can do for us. God come show, and let me tell you something. One thing about the situation is, I said I was going to tell y'all about the testimony, so I'm not going to tell y'all right now. But we is on our way over here to see the house in the raw form. We haven't signed anything yet saying that this is going to be ours yet, but we is in the process of it. You know, I already went over and looked at the house one time. They just turned the lights on, so we finna get ready to go over here and look at the house with the lights on. You know, just check it out, you know, see if anything that we need to put down that, you know, that they need to go and do and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm finna show y'all what this house look like. This is going to be the before we go in and make changes. I hope y'all enjoy the video, and I just thank y'all for coming and watching, and just know that God is real and God is able. And if it can happen for me and my husband, my family, it can happen for yours. Don't lose faith. Don't never think that God ain't listening to your prayers, because I'm telling y'all, God came through in the time that I needed him, and he was there. And I thought that, you know, my husband and I was gonna have to do this alone. But God made a way. God made a way, y'all. So let's go.
Now I'm rising.